Jen with your Marco Minute. Make sure your clients see your message on a regular basis by choosing the chalkboard magnet for your next promotion. This chalkboard magnet is perfect for short notes, lists, or just fun doodles. The chalkboard material makes it easy to reuse. For ease of use, it comes with chalk and a magnetic chalk holder. Because of the regular use, your message will never be forgotten. It is sure to be seen with the large 7-inch high by 8 1/4 inch wide imprint area. It is item number GA1310 on marcopromos.com or call 877-592-4980.